GoHighLevel just released an advanced workflow builder, which makes your workflows even better. Now, if you want to get some free workflows and automations, make sure to check out our 30-day free trial link for GoHighLevel in the description, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, and this is if you're watching this video after 28th of November, you don't have to do this, but if you're watching it under 28th of November, I'm talking nonsense here, but yeah, if you're watching it like in between 28 and 22nd and 28, then you will need to watch this. So you go to settings on your agency account. You want to go to labs, okay? Under the labs, go to sub account, and what you want to do here is you want to type in advanced workflow builder, and you want to activate this feature. Now, as you can see, if you're watching this after 28, you already have this in your workflows. However, if you're not, then just activate here, click here, hit save. Obviously, you need to select the sub account, and then here you go to your sub account where you enabled it. But again, you know, most of you would probably watch this after 28, so you will already have that in the automation. So if you go to automation, you create a workflow, start from scratch, and we would be able to go in here. And as you can see, we'll be able to go to advanced builder. So advanced builder is really cool. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty much the same as NA10. But as you can see, if you go here and you can start with a trigger always, like for example, customer replied. Let's say customer replied in right here to a workflow, and let's say this workflow, okay? So as you can see, this is how it looks like. And as you can see, it looks very, very similar to NA10. And then obviously everything is the same, right? So let's say I want to switch this to standard builder. This is how it's going to look like. So it's pretty much the same. But as you can see, you can go here and you can start and you can kind of granularly build your workflow. So let's say, okay, customer replied, wait for 30 minutes, as you can see, and you can, again, you know, you're kind of unlimited when it comes to how to move these things and branches and stuff like that. But in your standard builder, you won't be able to move those branches. But yeah, as you can see, if you're working with a lot of like data, then this is really cool, because then you would be able to connect multiple different nodes here. Okay, so we have a wait. Then as you can see, what we can do is we can add, let's say here, update contact field. So I'm just showing you this, you know, just like this business name. We can do something like that, okay? And as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now, why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I want to show you also that you can go and you can pause certain actions in your advanced workflow, which is really cool. So you can pause only actions. You cannot pause, for example, the purple ones, which are conditions, and you can pause your triggers as well. So if you go to add an action here, let's say we want to add another, let's say, voicemail here. Okay, so we actually, let's do something else. Not voicemail, but let's do, I don't know, create a contact. Like, let's do that one. Let's add a field, business name. You can do that. Okay, it's already, we actually already have that one. So let me choose another one, like send a review request. And as you can see, I can pause that, but usually I could not pause that before. So you cannot pause that in your standard builder. So as you can see, like, since I don't have this, I need to delete this first, so I can go to standard builder, and then I would be able to go in here and change things up. But as you can see, this is how it works. Now, there's not quite a lot of new features other than that in the advanced builder. Obviously, you have sticky notes, you have errors, stuff like that, which you already had. Stats, you have that in your normal standard builder. You have workflow switcher. So this is kind of where you can switch to different workflows in a quicker way, which is really cool. So that's one thing that is kind of really cool. You have version history, which you already have before, and then you have workflow AI, which can help you to build your workflows. Like, you can edit a workflow, you can select what you want to edit, and you know, pretty much that will be able to do that. Okay, so this is essentially it for the advanced workflow builder. Just wanted to show you around, wanted to show you how it works. Obviously here, you also have format tree, so you can click here to format it, since you have like, I have two right here, but yeah, if you have multiple nodes, this is great. Just like in NA10, if you ever use NA10, you click and then it formats the nodes in a really cool way, which is really cool. So yeah, that's essentially it. This is just the stats view, so we need to go to the normal view, and then we would be able to move along. So but yeah, enough of me rambling here. Make sure to check out our 30-day free trial if you want some free automations, and we'll see you guys in the next video.